Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are hale and hearty and preparing for your MA English exams. Today, I am here with the summary of the poem The Lotus of MEG 7 by Toru Dutt. You will find the summary really very easy, so stay tuned till the end of the video. We shall begin now. The Lotus poem by Toru Dutt. This is the sonnet of 14 lines. We shall look at the poem first. Love came to Flora asking for a flower that would of flowers be undisputed queen. The lily and the rose long had been rivals for that high honor. Bards of power had sung their claims. The rose can never tower like the pale lily with her Juno mien. But is the lily lovelier? Thus between flower fractions rang the strife of Psyche's bower. Give me a flower delicious as the rose and stately as the lily in her pride. But of what color? Rose red. Love first chose, then prayed. No, lily white or both provide. And Flora gave the lotus, rose red dyed and lily white, the queenliest flower that blows. Toru Dutt. Now we shall look at the summary of the poem. This poem starts where god of love reaches goddess of flowers, Flora, and demands for the best flower, but this demand turns into a debate for a while of which flower is more lovelier, the lily or the rose. Thus, this problem occurs and everyone was thinking of the solution. Then the goddess of love come up with the notion that the lotus is the solution of this confusion. Lotus is the flower which contains the qualities of both the flowers, the lily and the rose. Lotus has the purity of the lily and the passion of the rose, sad goddess of flowers. So, lotus is the best flower. Neither lily nor rose won the competition, rather, lotus was the winner. Flora declares lotus as the most loveliest flower and gave that flower to the god of love. Toru Dutt, the poetess, has expressed the utmost significance of our national flower, the lotus. It has so many qualities and is considered beautiful and the most worthy according to the poem. So it was a brief summary of the poem. I believe that this video will be helpful for your exams, and stay tuned for more video updates. Please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.